I will teach you how to leverage school to become the entrepreneur you were destined to be. At the end of this video, you will be ready to succeed in your ordinary school environment by becoming the unstoppable entrepreneur you have dreamed of becoming. I took every opportunity when I saw it, and it led to me where I am today. I am growing several businesses which will make me the next massive teen entrepreneur. Click subscribe to join in on the exclusive early access content of my journey. My name is Jan Bosman, and I'm here to change your whole perspective on school and leverage every single second of it. You just got on the freeway to financial freedom, and it's too late to back out now. Grab a snack and watch this video all the way to the end for the best results in your personal financial growth. As cliche as this might sound, just start. Start your own business and do it now. Like swimming, you just have to jump in and start paddling. You know those ideas you've been batting around? Write them down. What's the best one? And what makes it better? How can you gain an edge? Talk about your idea with your friends, gather feedback from them, from parents, teachers, your target audience, and just go for it. Don't make it complicated. It can be a simple business, like babysitting, yard work, dog walking. This is going to give you experience in setting up a business, organizing paperwork, registering it, getting a business license, a tax identification number, and so forth. Legitimize it as much as you can because your age is working against you. Babysitters who have CPR and first aid certificates are a cut above. References from satisfied customers before and after photos of a house painting project you completed, whatever you can point to that shows you are serious and that you care about what you do. Dear teenage entrepreneur, this step is very important. Find your first mentors, and it's a lot easier than you might think it would be. The business world is filled with people who've made it and who want to send the elevator down to pass along the information, knowledge, lessons, and insights they've accumulated in their climb to success. It might be intimidating to ask someone, but go ahead and approach some local business owners and ask them if they can help you to mentor you. Throughout your life as an entrepreneur, you should actively seek out and ask for mentorship. You will always need someone supportive, honest, and neutral to turn to for advice. Get a job. Wait. Why get a job when you're starting a business? Well, for one very good reason. You need to get more experience with customers and people. American businesses pride themselves on providing excellent customer service, but no one is born innately knowing how to do that. It's something you learn how to do. The experience of interacting with people makes a huge difference to building a successful business. You need to learn how to face the company, to exhibit grace under pressure, and to spread that smile on your face to satisfied customers and co-workers even on their crummiest day. Attitude may not be everything, but it's always going to be a lot. So start becoming an entrepreneur by learning from McDonald's or your local supermarket. Dear teen entrepreneurs, you need to embrace failure. Everyone fails. It's what we learn from failures that teaches us what we need to be successful. Overcome any fear of failure you might feel. That feeling is the biggest obstacle of any you'll ever face. Try, fail, get back up, convert the experience into education. Learn its lessons. Did you need more focused attention, effort? Get back up and try again, armed with your experience. Put yourself out there. First, be yourself. Remember, what may not be considered cool in high school could give you an edge as an entrepreneur. Step out of your comfort zone, run for student government, join a sports or academic team, get involved with school news team. You need to start getting comfortable with being a leader and marketing yourself because ultimately that's what entrepreneurship is all about. You'll benefit from where you work, on your teams with others. It's good to be able to juggle a lot of things going on, to meet obligations and develop accountability. Another important tip is recognize opportunities and pursue them. Look for a problem in your community. Trust me, there is many. Think about how you can possibly create a business around solving it. Start thinking about it even if you never do it. You need to start exercising the creative brainstorming part of your brain. I can say with certainty that every school has a lot of major issues that you can be solving. Look for demand and go and supply the solutions. One of the biggest misconceptions is introverts can't be entrepreneurs, but in fact, introverts can be entrepreneurs too. I was the biggest introvert at one point. I did not change a thing. The more I talked about what I loved, the more people started listening, and eventually I became the go-to person for any investing advice at school. I marketed myself on WhatsApp status as an investor, showing some proof, showing some results that I have made. This taught me the power of social proof. Create content, and audience will follow if you provide value. Get people with similar interests to join you in your business ventures. You're not trying to become a solopreneur. Remember that. You got this. Sincerely, a fellow teen entrepreneur.